Welcome to this short video on MarkupX Pro for AutoCAD and Civil 3D. What is MarkupX Pro? It's an add-on to Autodesk software, Revit, Civil 3D, and AutoCAD, etc. What we do is we bring markups directly into the design software from a PDF. And we also want to make sure you address every single markup. So the benefits of MarkupX Pro: we complete markups faster, 1 to 3 minutes faster than the traditional method. We make sure that all markups are addressed, so we have a counter inside our software, and every time you complete a markup, the counter goes down. Staff are just as productive in the office as they are when they're traveling. So what we say is we don't require dual monitors. As you can see, I'm in Civil 3D 2024 at the moment. What we're trying to do with this software is we want to keep your designers inside the software they're most proficient in. So if you're a Civil 3D user, we want to keep your eyes on Civil 3D and not taking them off onto another monitor. So the first thing you got to do here, if you work with sheet sets, if you don't, that's not a problem, but we're going to go into bring up our sheet sets here. So I'm going to open up my sheet sets, and as you can see in there, I've got my sheet set. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up markups. So let's go up here to markups here, and I'm going to select on navigator. My navigator comes up. All right, so all we need to do here is we're going to load a PDF. So we click on the green plus sign. I'm going to select sheet set example. I'm going to go open, and it's going to load all of the markups. Now there's 17 of them in this one, and there's multiple sheets. Now you don't need to know what drawing it's in. All you have to do, this is list view, it shows you every single markup. All we do is just click on one markup. It automatically goes and finds the sheet. It loads it. It's going to zoom to the location, and it's going to display the markup right in the screen here. That's a temporary graphic. We don't add anything to your model. This does not print. You cannot select it. Once the sheet's loaded, it's very responsive to go to the very next markup, as you can see in here. Okay. If I want to go ahead and select on a different one, which is on a completely different sheet, if I click on this, as you'll see up in here, it actually loads the sheet. It's going to zoom to the location, and it's going to display that markup. If I double click on a markup, it takes me into what's called edit mode. Edit mode displays the PDF. So this is the original PDF here. You can pan around in here. You can zoom in and out. But it shows you all the markups. And what we're doing here is we're just showing you the PDF, but we still show you the markup here. If you want to turn that off, you can, just by turning off that button there. The idea here is what we want you to do is we want you to fix the markup, staying inside Civil 3D, not having to take your focus off and going on to another product. And then up here, I just go completed. And once I go completed, it automatically jumps you to the next markup. And as you can see down in here, the number starts to go down. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go completed. And as I completed that, I've jumped to another sheet or layout. And as you can see, there's the markup, and those numbers are going down. If I go ahead and exit the edit mode, there you can see in all the other markups that are still there. I didn't actually delete those other markups. I've just turned them off. So now the status has been changed to completed. So if I go OK now, you'll actually see those markups that I completed. Once again, our focus here is to keep you inside Civil 3D or AutoCAD, let you address the markups very quickly, jump to the next one without having to take your focus off of Civil 3D and going into some other product. This concludes this short presentation on MarkupX Pro for AutoCAD and Civil 3D.